What if I told you one of the fastest growing AI tokens is still trading under 15 cents while raking in over $1.5 million in daily protocol revenue? What if this same token just shattered a multi-month downtrend? And what if it's now catching the attention of Grayscale and Base's biggest players? Today we're breaking down a potential breakout no one's talking about yet. AIXBT. The charts are showing bullish momentum. The fundamentals are screaming real utility, and the community exploding. This might be your last chance to catch it before the next leg up. Let's decode the hype, the tech, the numbers, and what this move means for your portfolio. Stick around, this might just be the sleeper DeFi play of the year. Let's start with what traders are watching right now. The 3-day chart just flashed a massive breakout signal. AIXBT finally broke above a steep descending trend line that's held price down since early January. We're seeing strong bullish candles backed by volume, up over 60% in the last 7 days. The HARSI Fibonacci RSI is curving upward from oversold territory. Momentum is building. According to Fibonacci, targets line up at 28 cents, 52 cents, and even $2.45. But the real magic? This isn't just a chart pump. The fundamentals are catching up. Let's talk numbers. One of AIXBT's recent tweets confirmed 21 nodes live and counting, and the protocol is clearing $1.5 million in daily revenue. But here's the kicker. 97% of that revenue goes straight to buybacks at market. That means there's constant demand pressure on the token. This isn't hype-fueled inflation. This is smart tokenomics in action. It's rare to find a project that actually does buybacks right. AIXBT is quietly becoming the textbook example. Zooming out, engagement is skyrocketing. According to Gecko Terminal data, AIXBT has experienced a 376% increase in Mindshare in the last 7 days. Price and market cap up 53%. 319,000 holders, a stunning 180% versus peers with similar market cap. Impressions up 527%. And look at their X profile. Nearly 460,000 followers, automated daily posts, and laser-focused memetic branding. This isn't a low-effort token. It's an AI-powered content engine with conviction. Let's connect the dots. AIXBT was just ranked number 2 among the top AI agents on Base, right behind Virtual's protocol. And the ecosystem? Exploding. Virtual's up. AIXBT up. Vader AI up. There's a clear momentum wave in AI coins on Base, and AIXBT is surfing the top. In a crowded AI market, Base-native, data-fed projects with strong tokenomics are rare. And here's where things get really interesting. On April 10th, Grayscale listed AIXBT among its assets under consideration. Let that sink in. We're talking about the same Grayscale that brought Bitcoin and Ethereum to Wall Street. Now, they're eyeing a microcap AI coin with just a $100 million market cap. If this gets picked up, we're no longer in degenerate territory. We're talking institutional capital, ETF exposure, and massive narrative upside. Now, let's talk liquidity. AIXBT is listed across Binance, Uniswap, Bybit, OKX, BitGet, among others. Daily trading volume? Over $100 million. And if you're looking for passive income, Binance is offering 9% APY. Bybit offers 8% APY. Flexi staking. No lockups. Real yield. This means both traders and holders are getting rewarded. And a quick heads up, there's a token unlock coming May 5th for 72 million tokens, approximately 7.2%. Watch that date. Price action might see volatility. By now you're probably thinking, okay, AIXBT looks solid, but how do I actually profit from trends like this consistently? That's exactly why I wrote my ebook, DeFi Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. Inside you'll learn how to stake, farm, and earn from tokens like AIXBT, how to spot real revenue protocols early, how to avoid rug pulls while maximizing upside. It's $4.99, less than a coffee and packed with alpha. A bunch of viewers have already used it to start earning real yield from crypto. Grab your copy. Link in the pinned comment. This isn't just another meme coin. AIXBT has momentum, fundamentals, and a front-row seat in the AI DeFi wave. Whether it hits 28 cents or $2.45, the ingredients are here. If you got value from this video, destroy the like button, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel and tells me to keep bringing this type of content. And if you want to learn how to build wealth with DeFi, check out my last video where we break down the Polygon ecosystem's next big move. You'll find the link in the end screen. Stay sharp, stay curious, and don't just watch crypto. Make it work for you. See you tomorrow.